In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install n8n locally. Whether you're a developer looking to explore automation or someone interested in organizing workflows, n8n offers an excellent platform for crafting powerful automation solutions right on your own machine. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started with n8n locally. First things first, you'll need to install Docker Desktop. Docker is a platform used to develop, ship, and run applications inside containers, making it crucial for running n8n locally. Depending on your operating system, head over to the Docker website to download the appropriate version, either for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Follow the on-screen instructions during installation to ensure everything is set up correctly. Make sure to give your system permissions when prompted and, if required, restart your computer after the installation process to finalize changes. Once Docker Desktop is installed, you should see its whale icon in your computer's system tray or dock, indicating that it's running smoothly in the background. Now that Docker Desktop is installed, it's time to run n8n. We're going to use a command line interface for this step. Don't worry if you're not familiar with command line tools. I'll guide you through the process. Open your terminal or command prompt. First, you'll need to create a Docker volume by typing the command docker volume create n8n data. This command will create a dedicated storage area for your n8n data on your local machine. Once that's done, you'll actually run the n8n service with the following command: docker run it rm name n8n p5678 578 vn8n data home node n8n docker.n8n io n8neo n8n. Let's break that command down a bit. The it flag allows you to interact with n8n directly in the terminal. The hot rm flag removes the container once it's stopped, helping keep your system clean. By using quotes to name n8n, you're giving this particular container a friendly name for easy reference. The hot p5678 5678 part directs your computer to use port 5678, which is where n8n will be accessible. And finally, the HOTV flag connects your previously created data volume to the n8n instance, ensuring all your workflows and credentials are stored persistently. With n8n up and running, you're just one step away from starting your automation. To open n8n, go to your preferred web browser and type in the address bar http localhost 678. Once you hit enter, you'll be welcomed by the n8n interface, ready for you to start building your workflows. Remember, the work you create here will be safely stored in the Docker volume we set up earlier, so you can revisit and modify your workflows anytime. And there you have it. You've successfully set up n8n locally using Docker. With n8n accessible directly from your browser, limitless workflow automation opportunities are at your fingertips. Thanks for joining, and enjoy your journey into seamless automation with n8n.